Now, we were selling this exact car only a few months ago for around £110,000. Today, on a 23 registration with 15,000 miles on, live pricing $82,990 for a brand new model, up to date, Range Rover Sport D300 Dynamic SE. In this particular case, it's in the Santorini Black. It has the most important 23-inch upgraded alloy wheels, and it's got a sliding panoramic roof. This car isn't going to hang about because our clients who have been watching our videos, who've always wanted a car like this, but couldn't justify paying the £110,000, £120,000, can now buy the same car for only $82,990. The D300 stands for the 3-litre diesel engine, which produces 300 brake horsepower. The new model Range Rover Sport, like this particular one, they're fabulous because it's a bit more slimline, it's very slick. So you can see starting off with the headlights, it's lovely with a glass piece in there, which is the DRLs, and you have the full quad LED lighting system. The grille is slightly sharper as well, and it has a full black styling, which starts off with the badge, the grills, the insert. The Dynamic SE means that the bottom section of the car is all colour-coded. Had this car been just the SE, then that would have a plastic finish to it and not be painted. You've then got front rear parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, and 360 view camera system. Headlight washers. And like I said already, this car has got the 23-inch alloy wheels. And we've said this over and over again. They are the best wheels you can buy on the Range Rover Sport, and it makes a massive difference. So if you have seen another Range Rover Sport elsewhere that you've considered buying, and it's £1,000 cheaper, but it hasn't got them wheels and it hasn't got the sliding roof, trust me, it's worth it. Because when you come to sell the car in 2 years, you'll get an extra £1,000 back. You've also got the Brembo red brake calipers there, the deployable door handles, sun protection glass, which is the blacked out windows, and then look at this front interior. So the triple black means black exterior, black wheels, and the full black interior. With a touchscreen media system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Meridian sound system, the ambient lighting, which is just below the eye line here, and also the door pockets and the inserts. You have got full leather, electric seats, memory seats, and heated seats with that captain chair feel with a retractable armrest. Centre armrest is nice and big to share with the driver. That lifts up with more cubbyhole space. Twin cup holders, lots of USBs and C's around the car. Dual zone climate control. This is nice and raised with that lovely black chrome finish. And just underneath you have more cubbyhole space as well. You've then got the dual dashboard, so top dash and bottom dash. Automatic gear shifter. You've got the tilt and sliding roof with the electric blind as well, so you can cover it all together. But this is a brilliant place to be in. Front airbags, side airbags, rear airbags. Going into the back of the car now, the first thing you'll notice is that beautiful leather continues. You've also got that little bit of material on the door card. Rear seats are heated, and the rear passengers also do get a centre armrest. Isofix attachments, 3-point seat belts. It's just brilliant. Coming back round to the rear of the car, starting off with a tinted rear cluster, full LED lighting system, and you have the sweeping dynamic indicators as well. All the black styling continues on the back. The Dynamic SE bumpers, which is this one here, the beautiful midsection there. Automatic tailgate, which again is ideal. I'll just put that back again so you can't see it. Hide it from you. There you go. And then you have a big boot space. Seats go down 40, 40, 20. Underneath here, you have got a bit more cubbyhole space. Lift that up, and your foam kit is just behind. This cubbyhole space alone is pretty good. And like I said, with the seats going down means you can have a passenger on one side and still carry the long items through on the other side. You have got this button down here, which can control the seats electronically. And then this one drops the back end of the car to make loading and offloading a little bit easier. Press that button and it closes up. The car's a 23 registration vehicle, so what that means to you is it has remainder of the manufacturer's warranty till 2026. There is no damage on the car, but you wouldn't expect any. It smells beautiful, looks beautiful, drives amazing, and in this case, the wheels, the colour, really does work. This beautiful bezel around the door cards, electric windows, mirrors, that's got a lovely ceramic finish to it with the illumination as well, which then continues that same theme onto the 3-spoke, new up-to-date steering wheel. It is multifunctional, so it's got everything from the heated steering wheel, cruise control, adaptive cruise control, limiter. On the left-hand side, you've got voice control, stereo controls, paddle shift, so you can really use a lot of this car just from here. And just behind it, you have the 14-inch full digital dashboard, which you can also configure. Currently, you have the twin dials with the Google Maps in the middle, but you can put the sport dial in there with just a single speedo in the middle, and you can literally customize it to what you want. With regards here, you've got the different heights on the suspension, access, normal and off-road, the drive option as well, and then to go into your main media screen, switch it left or press the 4-square grid, and you have the different options again available there, including the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that I've mentioned. The 360 camera system is in high definition. It's really clever, it's really good. You can see every single part of the car, no excuses to curb the wheels or scuff the bumpers. This is brilliant. At 82,990, this car is not going to hang around because of the way it looks, the way it drives, and it's like a new car still. Thanks for watching. My name's Joe. Any questions, give me a call. Bye-bye now.